In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a glow effect in Photopea. Now, this is actually quite simple. The first thing you need is, of course, something you would like to make glow, and then the first thing you should do is simply duplicate this layer. So the way you can do this quickly is by pressing Ctrl and J on your keyboard, and there we go. So your duplicate layer, which will say layer 1 copy, you don't want to give it a filter, and you want to go to Filter up top, hover over blur, go to Gaussian blur, and give it, for example, let's say 5. Then you want to press OK, and then make another copy of this layer 1. So, of course, it's going to make a copy too, and then you want to go to filter, and then give it, for example, blur. Let's go to Gaussian blur and then give it like 10 or something like that, and then you want to make another copy of that, give it 15, and then you want to keep on going as long as you want. So I'm just gonna put in 15 over here, and I'm gonna put in 20 as well. So let's go to filter. There we go. So each and every single duplicate layer that you make, so each and every single copy should have like 5 more blur or something along those lines, okay? So 5 or more. Now, as you can see, whenever you make a new copy and give it blur, it looks more and more blurred. So what we're going to do over here, just for easier access, we're going to group all these. So leave layer 1, which is the original picture, so the original PNG image over here. Leave this outside the group, however, leave this 4 together. So just mark them. You can do that by simply holding down your Control key and clicking each and every single one. And then you can put them into a folder by clicking over here, and as you can see, they're now inside a folder. We won't be needing this anymore, so you can just hide them up. What you then want to do is create a copy of this layer and put it on top. So you can do this by just holding down your Alt key on your keyboard and then dragging it at top and then releasing, and as you can see, it's already created a copy and it's got a bit of a glow. However, if you want more of this glow, you can simply go to this copy 5, go to filter again, blur, Gaussian blur, and give it like 40 or 45 or 50 or whatever you want to have. So let's say I want to give 50, there we go. And then, for example, let's make another one, which is going to be 100, okay? Did 100, there we go. Now after this, just repeat the process. Again, hold down the Alt key and then copy it up top. And as you can see, you can now see a pretty nice glow. Now, if you would like this glow to go like more through it, so if you like this glow to kind of go through the object, what you can do is you can play with the opacity like this or with fill over here. And once you're happy with it, you can of course keep it as it is or remove a specific layer if you don't want as much glow. And that's it. So as you can see, your object is now glowing. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.